Hi beautiful people, I want to show you how you can post your YouTube video link on your YouTube community tab, and which can help a way of you getting view from it. YouTube community tab is a way, or is a post that you post on your community, where your community will be able to see your view, your comment, your photo, your video. So posting your video link on your community tab is a way of promoting your YouTube video to get more view. To do this, all you need to do, just come to your YouTube. So once you are on your YouTube, then you click on your profile, then you click on your view channel. So after loading, you click on your video. So you come down here and select the video that you want to promote. Let me say, for instance, for example, now I want to promote this particular video. So all I need to do is to come here, click on these three dots, then come to this share, locate this share, you see this share, then click on it, then come to copy and copy it. After that, we need to go to your community post. So this is my community post. If I click on it, it will open. But if I don't want to use this, I can easily come to this plus sign, click on this plus. So I can easily come to this plus sign and click on this plus sign, then scroll to my left and select post. So after selecting post, I will come to this place and write whatever I want to write. I can easily write, watch this video and learn how to edit fast. And learn how to edit your video fast and easy. You understand? So after that, I will learn how to edit your video quickly and easy. So I will come down here then and paste the link that I copy. So after pasting the link, I can easily come to this post and post it. So once I post it, after posting the video, I will come to my YouTube channel, then click on my profile, click on my view channel. Then I will come to what? I will scroll this to my left and come to post and click on my post. You will see it will reflect here. You can see, watch this video and learn how to edit your video quickly and easily. You understand? So the basic thing of this is that it's just like people searching for content or scrolling on your YouTube page. Any of your subscribers can easily see this video and click on it and start watching. So this is part of the way, or part of the form you can promote your YouTube video to get more view, get more like, and get much more watch hour. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like this video, leave us a comment, and then subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell, so whenever I post, you will be notified. Thank you for watching.